Welcome to ECAS Cloud. In this video, we will learn how to install a web server on a EC2 Linux instance. After launching the instance, a Linux instance, click the instance ID and copy the public IPv4 address. Once you have done that, connect to the Linux instance using PuTTY. The steps to connect to PuTTY are, as you can see on the screen. This is a PPK file which has to be converted using PuTTY gen or PuTTY key generator. So the PEM file that you download from AWS has to be converted to a PPK file using PuTTY gen. Select the PPK file and open. Once you have done this, after you have run these commands on the Linux server, copy the address and paste it in the browser, and you will see that the web server has been installed.